Hello guys, today we are gonna make this type of animation effect here. Alright, so first we just simply click on the start button, and as you can see our clock is rotating anti-clockwise and time is increasing one by one, and the start button is just disappear and stop button is appearing here. Alright, so how can we make this type of animation? It's just pretty simple. You just have to follow some 3 or 4 steps and you can build this type of animation for your project. Alright, so without wasting any kind of time, let's just move to the Android Studio. So first you go to file, new project, and build a new project. Alright, when you build the new project here, go to the drawable folder or resource folder and made a new resource directory which name the animation anim. As you can see I made it already here. Okay, so when you done it, just right click on the animation and made a resource file which name rounding alone button. All right, rounding alone. So this is not this, just delete it. All right, or it's deleting. All right, so you just have to make one xml file here which is giving the animation, this animation. As you can see, this is moving continuously in anti-clockwise. So from this line of code we made this. All right, so when you done it, just simply go to the Google and download 2 images, or I am providing source code in description. You can download the source code and take the images from there, or you can download your favorite images from Google and use this your own images instead of my own. Alright, so I downloaded just 2 images. First one is circle and the second one is this arrow, this needle. Okay, so I'm using these 2 images. So just go to the drawable and paste your 2 images here. This is the second step which you accomplish now. Now the third step, it's very simple. Go to the style and make this no action bar. Why? Because I don't want any kind of action bar here. Alright, now the fourth step, you should have to go to the main activity design, XML design, and just simply copy this space, copy and paste this code, or you can build your own code. I just all right, so this is chronometer. Why I'm using chronometer here? It's the time which is increasing one by one. All right, so this is an image view and this arrow is another image view. All right, so and I'm using these two button, stop and start. I'm providing the source code in the description, you can download from there. So when you done it, go to the main activity and just make variable and hook it, and then when you just done this simply code, just go to here and create optional animation. So this is the animation btn stop.set alpha 0, and then loading animation. This will rounding alone animation which I made it here. Right, so this will animate your rounding line. After that, just made a simply btn start.set on click listener, because when we want because if you want to click on the start button, all right, when you click the start button, this animation will work. What animation this say? This say that the arrow is moving in anti-clockwise and the button is pop up from the bottom from top, and the start button is just hide. So this through line code explain this, and this is the start time which is increasing one by one, and button stop, what will we do? When we click on the stop, it just close it. So as you can see now, I hope you understand this simply 4 to 5 steps, and I am providing the source code. You can download it from there or you can make by your own. It's not very tough, it's very easy. Just follow these 5 steps. So now I'm going. Goodbye and take care.